Hello and welcome back to another video. These are a few inventions or innovations that I've done. This is a pencil holder. You can stick this on your refrigerator. This is Kindle Paperwhite holder. You can also put your mobile or cell phone on this device like this. And this is a wire holder. This is the digital tasbih, and this is a phone holder. And as I've told you in my blog that I had some contributions for the smoke quality or the intensity of the smoke that is coming out from these devices. I had some input that I had given to these devices, and this is printed in ABS, and these two things are printed in PLA, and this is being manufactured throughout the world, and this is also being manufactured and sold throughout the world. So this was a short video about the things that I've created. There are other things as well. And amongst these things, I personally like this and this one. These are the two things that are my most prized possessions. I hope this video was motivational for you and you would definitely try product design or product designing because it's really satisfying and fulfilling experience. Thank you for listening. Take care and have a nice day.